Hi, this is Julie Rush, and this is my presentation of my training plan regarding confidentiality. So first of all, I would teach my staff the necessity of confidentiality training. Basically, why are we doing this? And I would tell the staff that confidentiality training will help prevent breaches. It will help the staff understand the role of protecting protected health information of patients. The training is required under laws, HIPAA and high tech. When we have a well-trained staff, our organization can avoid costly litigation. We're going to be able to protect patients better, and we're going to help detect breaches. And having a proper training plan is going to help ensure that we're adhering to the regulations that are set before us. The characteristics of my training plan are that the training is going to be understandable, it's going to be engaging, memorable, and relevant. The staff are going to learn about governance. They're going to be able to define protected health information. They're going to understand the minimum necessary rule, basically what is allowed to be looked at in a chart. They're going to understand the scope of the confidentiality regulations. They're going to learn about patient rights, enforcement, disclosure, and how to report breaches. The staff are going to learn examples of violations and risk. Some things seem innocent enough, but they actually can be violations of confidentiality rules. This could include things like password sharing, leaving workstations unattended, concerned meddling, meaning they might be thinking that it's okay to look into a patient's chart because they're concerned about the patient. It could just boil down to snooping, and it could also boil down to devices that are unsecured or even devices that are taken from the facility or even stolen. The staff are going to understand that there are penalties to violations of confidentiality rules, and that it's enforced by the Department of Health and Human Services and the Office of Civil Rights. And the penalties can be financial and criminal, and the civil penalties can be up to $250,000, and the criminal penalties can lead to a prison sentence of up to 10 years in prison. So all staff need training on confidentiality, and they need it on a regular basis. So we will do it annually. And all employees during their new employee orientation are going to receive the training initially. This concludes my presentation on my training plan regarding confidentiality. Thank you very much.